Busy week last week, so lots of writing articles and making other stuff for people, graphic stuff. It's quite fun though. I have some new steady customers which are much appreciated, so I really like to deliver on time and such. So I haven't done that much lately, but I'm gonna continue making those mounts for the swing arm and for the fenders and etc. I also want to say thank you so much for watching and for commenting. It's it's great. You guys make my days when watching them. It's mostly good thoughts and greetings coming up, but it's still great. So I'm really happy for that. Thank you. I just want to talk about some things because in Sweden we have quite good laws according to shopping the frames and making changes on the bike, but there are still some things you need to be aware of doing it, because for some changes on the frame or brake system or whatever, you need to make a new inspection to get it in your registration papers. I'm not familiar with rules in other countries, but I know for a fact that the Swedish laws and rules according to this is quite nice actually. We are really grateful for those laws, so we can do a lot, but usually when you do changes in the frame and such, you need to do this inspection. So please check what your rules and laws says before you do anything you might regret afterwards. So keep subscribing and keep like the videos if you do. And I will continue and get to work now. So, thank you. I'm a bit cold today. It was 8 degrees below 0 in Celsius. I'm not sure how much that is in Fahrenheit, but it's freezing outside. And I'm not used to it, and it's quite cold here in the workshop as well. So I will find some gloves. A moment. almost forgot. This is it for today. Maybe this video wasn't the best we made. Not much happened, but still things that needs to be done. So reality check. Yes. Thank you for watching. Please like if you liked it and subscribe and stay tuned. There are some good things happening very soon. So see you later. Bye.